Good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Google site, at least the basics. First thing you need to do is sign into your Google account. Once you've done that, you need to go to sites.google.com. All right, and we're going to create a site. So we click on the red Create button. And a blank template is automatically chosen for you, so we're going to go ahead and stick with that for today, and we're going to name our site. Today I'm going to call it Demonstration. And you will see that while I put the name in the site, it becomes part of the address for the site. Next, we're going to select a theme. When you click Select a Theme, a whole list shows up for you. And for today, let's just choose Terra Ice. These themes will have a font and a color scheme that is automatically set up that will be placed into your site. It can be altered, but generally it works very well. Hit Create. And we will have created our first website. So here we are. In order to edit, we would go into the edit page symbol right here. And that gives us lots of options. The default setting for it is a header and then a text box. And obviously you have your usual tools here for text. You can link to a website, you can embed from another source, or we can go to our insert menu. We can insert images, we can insert links, we can have lots of options here, or we can go over to our Google and we can go right into Drive and we can find documents that we'd like to embed from our Drive. Drawings, folders, forms, anything you have in your Drive can be brought in. Today I'm going to put a document in. This particular document is going to be how to use Google Classroom. And as you can see, it's a widget and it does not show up right now until I hit the Save button. Before I do that, though, I want to change the name Home to Classroom or Google Classroom as the title of the page. When I hit Save, notice that in the navigation bar, my title has changed to Google Classroom. The title on the page is Google Classroom, and here is the document I have put into my page. Now I'm ready to add another page, so I'm going to go to this icon, Create a Page, and I'm going to put in another page. Let's put in a page of documents, Google Documents. It automatically chooses to make it a web page. However, we have several options here. If you want to know more about these options, there's the Learn More tool that will take you to a description of each page. But for our purposes today, we're going to stick with a simple web page. And we want it put at the top level. If we put it under Google Classroom, it'll become a secondary page on Google Classroom. But I want it to be its own page, so I'm going to leave it like this. Hit Create. All right, so in our navigation bar now we have our Google Classroom document, and we have our Google Classroom page and our Google Documents page. And we're currently in the editing mode of our Google Documents page. I would like to insert a document here, so I'm going to go back to my Google Drive, find that document, and we're going to use how to share a document. Again, it's not going to show up until I hit Save. The title is as I would like it to be. I do have the option of centering it on the page. I'm going to go ahead and do that and hit Save. right, so here's the document I just put in. I can navigate between my pages because I'm not in editing mode. Here's my Google Classroom. Here's my Google Documents. And my website is still called Demonstration. So this is the basics on how to create a site. There are many, many more tools in here that you can use. In a future video, I will show how to use the navigation of this tool here. But for the most part, this will get you started creating your own documents. Good luck!